Welcome to One Chemistry. Always do your best. Now let us see about 100 conversion in organic chemistry. We are seeing as episodes. This is the 5th episode. If you didn't watch all previous episode, I encourage you to go and see. Here we discussed 5 problems step by step. Stay tuned. Let us see the first question. The first question starting metal is benzaldehyde and there are 2 reagents which is triphenyl phosphonylide and lithium aluminum hydride. The A is forming. Then the B which is the cyclic alkynyl ether. Then tosylic acid also given. Here there are 4 choices. Mainly the choice has the cis product on A and B on attack on O ring or alkyl ring. So which will be dominates? We will see the answer. The answer is D. Let us see why. First step is Wittig reaction. By looking at reagent, you should guess it's a Wittig reagent. But you have to know electron withdrawing group promote E-alkene. So the carbon attached with COOET, which is electron withdrawing group, which promote the E-alkene there. So the product is the transalkene. It's a very important stereoselectivity you should know. Then the reduction, lithium aluminum hydride reduction. Here only carbonyl group will be reduced. Why? Because we are using the low temperature. Hence the activity of lithium aluminum hydride will be less. So only carbonyl group attacked. Then the stable cation attacked by H plus will be formed. You can see from the insert there the cyclic alkynyl ether H plus attack where the stable cation near the lone pair. So the secondary cation stabilized by the lone pair. So it is the stable one. The OH attack on the secondary cation, so final product will be formed. Here you have to know the 2 facts. Wittig reaction forms cis product or trans product. Attack is O attack or alkyl attack. Here trans product and the attack is an alkyl attack. Then the next example, the starting metal is cyclic ketone. Reagents are Grignard reagent and a tosyl acid. And the another reagents are reducing agent BH3, BCC and MCPA. Here you have to understand every reagent to form a product. So what is the catch here? What is really happening? You have to know the selectivity of reagent and you have to know some rearrangements. Let us see why. The answer is A. We will see step by step. So initially is pH MgR, it's a Grignard reagent, attack of pH and MgR will happen. Then you are adding tosylic acid, so MgBr will go, OH will form. Then the dehydration lead to alkene. Then you are adding BH3 where hydroboration, which is the anti-Markovnik of addition. So OH will form on the secondary carbon, not tertiary carbon. Then the BCC. PCC only involve mild oxidation, so oxidation will be happen. Then CPBA. CPBA is the Baeyer-Villiger oxidizing agent. So the final product not the 6 member but 7 member one. So the oxygen insertion between phenyl and carbonyl group. So you have to know the multiple step and multiple reagents to identify the product. Then the next example, the starting material contain ketone and ester group and the reagents are LDA and alkyl bromide and lithium hydride and H3O. Here you have to identify A and B. Here you have to guess the reagents. So what is really happening? Which groups are reduced? Which groups are hydrolyzed? Which groups are attached? You have to understand every reagent to identify the product here. The answer is A. Let us see why. The starting metal rewritten with the clear formula. So COOCH3 carbonyl group. Here we are using the LDA. Here abstraction happen at any place. 2 possibilities, methylene carbon and methyl carbon. But methylene carbon abstraction happen. Because LDA base is a bulky base, so less crowded H plus will be absorbed. So H plus absorption, so minus charge will form. Then the minus charge attack on the allylic position of bromine, substitution reaction will happen. Then you are using lithium aluminum hydride. What really happened with the lithium aluminum hydride? Only ester group will be reduced, not the ketonic groups. So here you have to know the importance of LDA, nothing more. Then the next example, which is the photochemical reaction. Starting material in the cis form, the products are A and B. You have to guess the product, how the reactions are happened through A and B. Here you have to know the mechanism, otherwise you cannot do anything. To find the answer, you have to understand these two tables. How many pi electrons are there, you have to know. Whether it's a thermo or photochemical reaction also you should know. Here 4 and pi electrons are involved. Hence cis and cis forms are there. So how the ring closure will be happen? Since cis and cis forms are there, you have to have con rotation, then you have to have the product of anti. If you see the product from reverse, the product will be easy. Always ring opening will be difficult to comprehend, but if you use the ring closure reaction, it's easy. So go from open chain to closed ring first. Then the double bond in cis position will be happen. Then the easy one, which is maleic anhydride 4+2 cycloaddition will happen. So the final product will be B, where both groups are cis to each other or syn to each other. Here you have to know, without understanding this table you cannot answer this. Then the next example, here benzene and fused 5-member ring is there. Benzene attached with methyl groups and 5-member with alkyl and ketone. So the reagents are CF3COO twice and ozone. Here you have to guess the selectivity and stereochemistry there. So here 4 choices are given. You have to know the reagents very better, then only you can answer. The 5-member converts into 6-member or not. So you have to guess in such a way that how ring expansion will happen. The answer is B. Let us see why. The starting material is the ketone, right? So you have to write in ketoenol tautomerism. Then we use the base. So base is on minus charge, abstract the proton. Then it is like a nucleophile which attack the trifluoroacidic acid carbon because the electron deficiency on carbon is much higher due to fluorine group. Then the attack will be happen. Then CF3CO minus group is leaving. So the product is easy, O attached CF3CO groups. Then you are doing O3. Everybody knows O3 is ozonolysis, which is easy one. You are just adding the carbonyl groups there. Then you have the triplet elimination, which is CF3CO, which is a self-stabilizing group, so it's leaving as CF3CO. Then the group attacks, so form the 6-member rings will be happen. Here CF3CO will be leaving because of its stabilized acyl cation, it leaves. So the product will be a negative ion. Then the intra-condensation will be happen. The intra-condensation lead to 6-member product. Then the OH also attacks there, so intra-condensation leads to alcohol. Here water elimination is favored due to the aromaticity in the step. So the final product will be 6-membered ester. Here's the interesting one. Even though it involves multiple steps, final product is easily identifiable. That's all from me today. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.